Hindi lang daw ghost projects ang pinagmumulan ng korupsyon, kundi maging ang umano'y ghost forests. Ito ang pasabog ng isang environmental advocate kasabay ng pagbusisi sa bilyong-bilyong pondo ng DENR. Naritong exclusive agenda report ni Attorney Karen Jimeno.
Kung merong ghost projects, meron ding ghost forest. Yan daw ang resulta ng katiwalian sa Department of Environment and Natural Resources. Ayon yan sa Director for Advocacy ng Masungi Geo-Reserve na si Billy Dumalyang sa At the Forefront ng Bilyonaryo News Channel. Sinabi niyang posibleng nakurakot ang bilyones na pondo na para sana sa National Greening Program.
CIJ did a review of the NGP, na National Greening Program, saan napunta yung billions in funds. They found out that actually mas na-destroy pa yung forest than natamnan ng trees. So may mga ganon, no? Although, syempre, mas less yung budget ng DNR by a mile than DPWH. But of course, yung mga regulatory weaknesses, corruption happens in different ways. But it's obviously there.
Ayon kay Dumalyang, patuloy nilang tinututulan ang wind farm project ng Vena Energy. Dahil magtatayo ito ng mga wind turbine hindi lang sa loob ng Masungi, kundi pati na rin sa ilang protected areas sa lugar. Pinatikos din niya ang pag-iba-ibang pahayag ng kumpanya.
They previously said they won't build in karst areas when it first came out. But when I asked the representative in that meeting, will you build inside the Masungi Karst Conservation Area? They said yes. In 1993 pa lang, declared by Secretary Angel Alcala, who is also a karst ecosystem expert, he already declared it off-limits to ecologically destructive activities. So this is a very sensitive ecosystem. It's not just above ground, yung mga exposed limestones, it's also underground.
Una nang sinabi ng Malacanang na under review ang performance ni Acting DENR Secretary Rafael Lotilla. Lumabas tuloy ang spekulasyon na mapapalitan na siya. Para naman kay Billy, ang karapat-dapat na pumalit kay Lotilla ay isang pinuno na handang gumawa ng matitinding pagbabago sa ahensya.
So whether it's Secretary Lotilla or somebody else, they need to show that they're going to reform the department, because the past 2 to 3 years, the past several years has been full of headlines about environmental disasters, na apektuhan yung mga Pilipino na namamatay, nasisira yung ating national heritage, and yet the response has not been as strong as we hope them to be.
Daing naman ni Billy, nagbukas na naman ang ilang ipinasarang resort sa paligid ng Masungi. Kumakalap na sila ng ebidensya bago ito isumbong sa mga otoridad. Para sa agenda, Attorney Karen Jimeno, Bilyonaryo News Channel.
Mag-follow sa aming mga social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa pinakahuli at eksklusibong mga balita.